Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're doing my Boxycharm premium unboxing for the month of August. Nope, September. We're in September. This year has gone by so fast, but like also so slow. It's weird. But this is the Boxycharm premium. This retails for $35 a month. You get 8 full-size products, sometimes deluxe size samples, but usually full-size products every month to your door, and this is what it looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and dive right into this. Ouch, pulling my hair. Opening it up, it looks like this. So let's go ahead. Trying to balance this without knocking everything down. Okay, first thing I see on top here is this pretty mint green packaging. This is glowing vacation skin inside this bag. Coconut coffee scrub. It's an exfoliator. Is there a card? No card. Okay. Yeah, it's an exfoliator for smooth glowing skin. By Frank Body. That's the brand right there. Packaging is super cute. It is cruelty free, which is awesome. I'm vegan. I'm not going to use this, I'll be honest, just because I absolutely hate the smell of coffee. I know. So I'm not going to use this, but this is a cool thing to get, but I'm not going to open it and smell it because I don't like coffee. So I know you guys can all hate me in the comments. It's okay. Next thing, it's by Kitsch, I think. KIT.SCH. This is an ice roller for your overworked, sensitive skin. Ice roller. I can't open it. Is this kind of like the purple roller thing I have? Because I do love that thing. I got Boxycharm not that long ago. I do really like that, and I actually use it quite a bit. I don't know where it's at right now, but if this is similar. Okay, so it says Kitsch right there, and it's like a silver. Oh yeah, that feels nice. It's not as cold as the purple one is, but I bet you're supposed to actually put this in the fridge. Yeah, I bet you are. This feels nice though. Ooh, feels real good on the headache, that's for sure. Okay, yeah, I'm down with that. Okay, what's next? Ole Henriksen. This is Transform Plus Fat Glow Facial. I don't remember what product I picked in here. I don't think it was this though. What does this do? I don't know what this does. It's a face mask. So let me read this before I start going crazy, because if this is one I have to wash off, I'm not gonna use it. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not going to swatch this just because it'd kind of be a waste. I am very lazy when it comes to masks and skincare. I don't like ones that I have to wash off because I'm lazy. So this is cool though. Ole Henriksen, I can't talk today, is a very nice brand, and I do like most of the things I try from them. The Banana Bright Primer that I got last month is super good. But that, no thank you. Saturday Skin. This is the Pore Clarifying Toner. Oh, I feel so negative, but I don't want to use this either. I don't really use toner either. I know I'm a bad person, but this bottle is super nice. Maybe I will actually use this. I should. Maybe I will. I just don't. So my reason for not liking toner is stupid, but I hate the feeling of cotton pads and cotton balls. They make me cringe. I will literally I can't do it. I just can't. My body shuts down and it's don't touch me. But I hate the way they feel. Can't smell this through the seal. It is sealed. I hate the way they feel, and I just can't find a good alternative. I usually use my brush, but I feel like it doesn't do it well enough, you know? So I don't know. I need to find an alternative to that, but I will keep that. I need to use it. Okay, Milk Makeup. I think this is what I chose. This is the highlighter. Yeah, this is what I chose. So the shade Lit. it won't open. I don't know why I chose this, but I'm not super into highlighting sticks, but I wanted to try Milk Makeup. That's what it was. I don't have much from them, and I've been really interested in the brand, so I don't know if I have. I think I have something by them, but I don't remember what it was. Highlighter maybe? No, I don't know. I can't open it. I'm a child. Don't use your teeth to open things. Okay. What the? It's stuck on the lid. Oh my goodness. There, finally. 3 hours later. So you unscrew this, you pull this off. Maybe. Okay, we're gonna roll it up. There we go. Ew. Some of it broke off in the cap. That's fine. But here is what it looks like. It's just a big old chunky highlighter stick. So, is it pretty? It smells good. It smells like coconut and crayons. But, it's pretty. It's kind of subtle. More subtle than I thought it would be. But I do like the color, and I will definitely give this a try on the face. But I'm 90% sure that's the product I chose. Okay. Last thing. This is The Queen by Eloise. A queen lies in all of us is what it says. Packaging super cute. It's a palette of some sort. It is cruelty free, awesome. 20 pigment palette, so eyeshadow. Ooh, I've never heard of this brand, but these shades are beautiful. That yellow is immediately drawing me in, and that purple. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, let's swatch a few. I'm gonna swatch Ronnie, which is that yellow. Super pretty. Let's do Severin, which is a metallic blue. And then we'll do Regal, which is that matte purple shade. Ooh. Okay, so the metallics are obviously swatching a lot better than the matte, but I also swatched it over that Milk Makeup. So let's swatch down a little bit lower. Let's do a different one. Let's do Curtsy, which is a matte metallic pink. So the mattes are a little patchy, but you know, swatches on the hand don't really matter. It matters how they apply on the eyes, so I'm not gonna judge it too hard over the swatch. But this is a really pretty palette. I've never heard of the brand. I will definitely give it a try though, because it's real pretty. Eloise. I really like the packaging too. I think that's gorgeous. The lady on the front that's kind of split down into 3 sides with 3 different skin tones. That's cute. I like it. Okay, are we done? We're done. Recap. The palette I am excited about. I think it's really pretty. I don't know anything about the brand, but like, why do things keep falling? But like, I'm down to try a new brand always. The Ole Henriksen thing is really cool, and I do like Ole Henriksen a lot, but Ole? Is it Ola Henriksen or is it Ole Henriksen? I like the way Ole Henriksen sounds better, but I'm pretty sure it's Ola. Let me know. But this would be really cool. I know myself and I know I'm not gonna use it, so I'm not gonna waste something that I could give to someone else. Same with this. This is really cool, but not something I'm gonna use just because I hate the way coffee smells. I know, I'm weird. The highlighter stick I picked, I'm not like stoked about it after swatching it, but I do really want to try Milk Makeup, and it's pretty, so we'll try. And the toner is not something that I'm stoked about, but it's something I need, so I'll try it. And I know Saturday Skin is a great brand, so overall I am not mad at the box, but also not really excited either. So that's my takeaway. Also, I don't think I got 8 items, so I'm pretty sure I lied to you guys on that. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I just get that? No. 6, right? Now I'm so confused. We got the toner, the milk stick, this thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so maybe you only get 6 things? Or maybe I'm crazy. I don't really know what just happened. I just did it, I already forgot. I also forgot about this thing, the kitsch stain. I do like this. I don't really foresee myself actually putting it in the fridge or ever like remembering to, but I'm telling you I have a massive headache right now and this is feeling great. So yeah, okay. Also that's why I'm super low energy, is because my headache is real bad, so I'm sorry, but that's everything. Let me know down below what you guys got. Did you like it? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Kind of thing. I feel like I've been watching other people's unboxings and theirs were kind of a lot better than mine, but I'm not mad at my box, I guess. It's not my favorite, but anyway, don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.